Yo gang, Rod here, Futures 8-bit. Look at my pink stick. That's one of my favourites. Yes, I've been distracting myself in my chaos. It's chaos here. It's nearly Christmas, and buying buttons and things and doing things like that. I've been checking out these mechanisms. I went a bit mad though. I was only supposed to be checking out the mechanisms because I want a joystick that's good. And then I sort of made a bunch of joysticks, and some of these joysticks, I mean, that's just one I put together with some colours. That one's for a person. That one is for a person. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that one. The yellow's nice. That one's for me. That one's quite special. Can you guess who that one might be for? But I'm going to be sending a bunch of these out. These aren't going to be an official Futures 8-bit product, but I think there might be a Futures 8-bit joystick similar to this. We shall see, because I've really gone mad. The colour combinations, trust me, nothing will be 3D printed. I won't do that. These take a long time, but they look great. I might be giving some more of these away because literally I was just mucking around with this business, but yeah, literally some of you hopefully would have received one of these for Christmas, and some of you need to contact me because I don't know where you live, so I can't send things. Like that is my favourite, it really is. The transparent ones, they're technically slightly brittle, but they seem quite good. Anyway, I don't want to get distracted by that because this was just me messing around. I am not going to be selling 3D printed joysticks, he said. No, I'm not going to do that. But yeah, with the mucking around I've been doing with these sort of mechanisms, I think, and Hectic proves it, I think I found a way. That one's quite snazzy. I found a way. And it might mean I'm going to get my own mechanisms made. What about that? Anyway, like and subscribe, etc., etc. Merry Christmas. Goodbye.